Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the story of the man who was lost at sea by the Wednesday afternoon young child graduates. It was cold on the ocean. The waves were crashing against the rocks. A sailboat was nearby. A man was sailing out to sea to go fishing. The sails were flapping in the wind. He was worried because there were dark clouds ahead. The water was getting rough.
I can't make a line.
The waves got really, really big suddenly. The sails started flapping heavily in the wind. And the waves were crashing against the rocks. Suddenly it got very stormy. So stormy. The ship started going off course and almost ran into a buoy. The man was getting really worried until he suddenly heard this. It was dolphins swimming. They were leading him back towards a safe place for his boat. And so the man followed the dolphins, and the water started to be more peaceful, and the sails flapped in the wind. And over in the distance, he heard the buoy. And he knew that he was safe and would be home soon. The end.